How many times have you been to an exhibition or museum and marvelled at the standard of the model buildings used in the layouts and dioramas? If, like me, you wish you could achieve something towards those standards, then come and join me on this video production and meet Derbyshire born and bred artist and model maker David Wright. David has been making model buildings for several years now for both private individuals, model railway enthusiasts and for the Derbyshire Museum exhibit at the Silk Mill here in Derby. David builds in both 7mm and 4mm scale using a variety of materials which cost-wise are easy on the pocket. Using a combination of card and clay, he has produced some exquisite models at moderate cost. So let's join David on a field visit to Cumbria, where first he will show us how to gather information by photographing, sketching and measuring a typical limestone barn on the Smarsdale Hall estate.
That's 6 foot. Now that's 3 foot. The space in between the two buttresses, we're looking at 10 feet there, and yes, it matches, so that's the angle we want. With our protractor, we'll just check this angle off, and we can see it's just over 30 degrees, about 32 degrees. We've just measured that corner coin as well because it's quite a dominant feature on that corner edge. So we've just taken a few measurements on that. But what we'll do now is we'll just go...
Then, back at his workshop, see how he creates working drawings from the information gathered and sets about producing an exact scale replica. David will then show us how to work from books and photographs to produce models of buildings that no longer exist, something of a must when modelling the past. Then, through the stages of making a working drawing, transferring those drawings to our material, and finally into cutting out the parts for assembly.
And not over the edge of the rule. And try and hold the scalpel at the bottom till the glue sets will secure all our force.
Followed by applying a skin of clay or plaster prior to carving the stonework, something that once shown we can all feel a little more confident to emulate. David goes on to demonstrate the detailing, painting and weathering techniques used in the production of his models, which I'm sure will leave you inspired to have a go yourselves. So come and join me. Let David Wright show us how.